day to myself. No meat, no responsibility, and none of that horrible bell.
Hey, Bo.
Hey, Rita.
What's that for?
Oh, I've been saving up to visit the Omelet Islands. I'm only $12 away from my goal.
I'll give you $12. Okay, so I'm a little short on cash right now. What if I help around the store for free?
I'd really appreciate that, Rita. Rita.
I know it looks bad, but the milk really cleaned the floor.
I guess I'll use my Omelet Island funds to fix everything. I'll be back in an hour. And please, don't touch anything. Oh, excuse me.
I've got to make this right. I should call Nari.
Hi.
Oh, Nari, could you paint the Omelet Islands on the wall or something? Bring the islands to Bo?
I would need a lot of help to paint a mural that big.
You summoned the crumpets?
It's basic level sorcery, really.
Oh, wow!
Wait, Crumpets, we're not done painting! Not meat, paint!
Oh my gosh, we made it worse. But we'll be back any minute. We gotta paint something. Surprise!
Thanks, guys. Really feel like I'm there. Oh, wait a second. Thanks for the salami. Love the crumpets. Looks like I'm going to the islands after all. Thanks, kids.
Always happy to help. Blowfish?
Water balloon?
Dude! Hamster Kano!
No, but I totally forgot about Hamster Kano.
What's Hamster Kano?
Just an inside joke from back in the day.
Inside joke? I love inside jokes. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
You wouldn't get it.
Yeah, I would. Come on, please.
Okay, fine. A few years back, Zeke and I were at his place. We were filming one of the first ever Rob and Bob Hamgram videos. Only Rob got a little too close to one of the props. Then Zeke goes,
Look, a hamster Kano!
Oh, I get it.
you really had to be there.
Fine. Back to charades. My turn.
Pancakes!
Oh, now what?
Okay. Way back when, Leon decided to try making pancakes. He was all ready for his first flip, but then... And Leon goes, "'Cause now we're having pancakes!"
Pancakes! Totally! I'll never forget the look on Leon's face.
But you didn't see it because you weren't there.
Well, Nari and I have inside jokes too, you know. Tons of them. Right, Nari?
Not really.
I'm just remembering that one time you and I went to the moon, and that thing happened, remember? See, we were exploring a lunar cave when suddenly, I am Mr. Fritters, President of the Moon! Now we shall battle! But Nari was allergic to the moon pollen he was covered in. She sneezed and Mr. Fritters blew away.
Can I be a cat in this?
Fine. Achoo! And then I said, sneeze you later.
That didn't happen.
Fine, it didn't. I just want to be a part of an inside joke. Is that so wrong?
You should want to be a cat on the moon. It was awesome.
Wait a sec. You guys are laughing. That's something only the four of us would get. That's an inside joke! And I'm in on it!
It wasn't that funny.
Just keep laughing and slowly walk away. Action Detective! Starring Detective Rita. Co-starring Inspector Houdini. And the damsel in distress, Leon. And introducing... Nari, the pirate ghost tree. On this dreary day, Detective Rita had the weight of the world on her mustache. Could she ever unlock the true power of the super action flip?
If I'm to complete my quest to become an action detective, I must master this super action flip. Inspector Houdini.
I believe in you, Detective Rita. You almost had it that time, Detective Rita. Perhaps one day you will complete this action flip and become the action detective you were born to be. Or perhaps one day you will lose your detective powers and have to use your action powers that lay dormant in yourself instead and complete this action flip.
I know. I'll unlock your secrets someday.
When all of a sudden... Rita, your phone's been blowing up.
Psh, who needs saving this time? Thank you, Inspector Houdini. Hello. This is Detective Rita.
Arr, 'tis I, Ghost Pirate Tree Nari. Boo! I have your husband.
Oh, no! Wait, sorry. I don't have a husband. You have the wrong number. Bye.
Wait, I'm from the future. Ooh, I have your future husband. And if you ever want to see him for the first time, I demand you set free all Christmas tree.
This is bad, Houdini. We have to save my future husband, and in doing so, we will save Christmas.
You're not suggesting...
Guess I have to go to the future. But I told myself I would never go there again. But that's when I was in the future last time, which was in the past, which was my future. So I guess I haven't said that yet. Time for a blast from the past.
I'll show you a blast. I made an anti-detective potion.
No! Houdini, what will I do?
Remember what I told you. Be more than a detective.
You are right. It's time to do my super action flip.
Nice jump!
You're doing it, Detective Rita!
action detective to you.
My hero.
That's action detective to you.
Great job, detective.
You saved future Christmas! Okay, it's posted. Now we just watch the views roll in. Sequel time, baby! Crumpets, crumpets, please appear. With these sacred words, I summon you here.
Great news, Nari! We invited your friends over for dinner.
I'm in the middle of something.
Oh, that must be them.
Come on, sweetie. It'll be fun.
Food offerings have been known to aid in ritualistic summonings. Be right down.
Thanks for having us over, Nari. Anyone else coming?
Time will tell.
Hope you kids like pizza.
Let's say a few words before we eat.
You mean like Grace?
Yeah, like Grace. Crumpets, crumpets, I offer you food. To not come forth now would be incredibly rude. Still nothing. Maybe it would help if we all held hands. How do we eat if we're holding hands? Oh, that's some grip, Nari!
It would be rude to refuse our host, right?
Crumpets, crumpets, we are now united. Show yourselves. You're more than invited. Thinking maybe I'll just take a slice to go.
How was the pizza? Good? Great.
Here's dessert.
I don't understand. What am I doing wrong? Of course, the lighting. It's too bright in here.
Yeah, some mood lighting would be nice. Maybe some candles?
Why are you still holding my hand?
Sorry.
Crumpets, crumpets, I ask one last time. Please join us now. 'Cause it's almost my bedtime. Whoa, what's going on? It's them!
Leon, are you holding my hand again?
Sorry.
It's okay, kids. Just blew a fuse.
A fuse? It wasn't the crumpets?
What's a crumpet, sweetie?
We can make that next time.
There's not going to be a next time. This was all a huge failure.
Aw, sweetie, I wouldn't say that. Looks like you all enjoyed the cake.
Best dinner party ever!
Don't forget to subscribe. And oh, you can download Toca Life World for free today.